Welcome to AltBuzz. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of content creation with a camera that's making waves, the Alpha ZV-E10. If you're a budding vlogger, a seasoned content creator, or someone who's just curious about what this camera can do, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end to uncover all its amazing features, and remember, for the best experience, watch this video with subtitles. Unveiling the Alpha ZV-E10. The Alpha ZV-E10 is designed to be the ultimate tool for content creators. Priced at $999.99, it offers a plethora of features packed into a compact, lightweight body. As a mirrorless APS-C camera, it's equipped with a 26-pixel CMOS sensor and a fast BIO-NZXR processor, promising stunning image quality and performance. But how does it stack up against the competition? Vault image quality. Let's talk about image quality first. The 26-pixel CMOS sensor in the Alpha ZV-E10 delivers incredibly sharp and vibrant photos. This sensor, combined with the BIO-NZXR processor, ensures that your images have excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or low light conditions, this camera adapts beautifully, producing images that pop with clarity and detail. One of my favorite features is the camera's ability to record in up to 4x type and H.120 type for those super smooth slow motion videos. It's a game changer for anyone looking to add a cinematic flair to their content. The Creative Looks feature offers Tank's Creative Looks with 8x parameter adjustments, letting you tailor your footage to match your artistic vision. Diverse visual expression. Capturing the world as you see it is where the Alpha ZV-E10 truly shines. The wide lens selection with the versatile mount system gives you the freedom to choose the perfect lens for any scenario. From wide-angle landscapes to intimate portraits, this camera has you covered. The background to focus button is another standout, instantly toggling between bokeh on and off, making it super easy to achieve that dreamy, professional look without fiddling with settings. The product showcase setting is a lifesaver for product reviewers and unboxers. It seamlessly transitions focus from your face to an object in front of the camera, ensuring that your viewers always see what's important. Paired with the real-time IAF for human, animal, and bird subjects, keeping everything in focus has never been easier. Intuitive operation and easy uploads. Ease of use is critical for content creators who need to focus on their craft rather than wrestling with complicated gear. The Alpha ZV-E10 excels here with a 3-flip-out, vari-angle touch LCD. The screen's rotating UF for vertical video is perfect for TikTok and Instagram stories, ensuring you capture content in the right orientation from the get-go. Live streaming is a breeze with this camera. It offers USB to PC or WireX streaming, making it ideal for live broadcasts. The camera's optimized color and enhanced skin tone reproduction mean you always look your best on camera. Plus, with the new Creators app, you can control your camera and share files directly from your phone, simplifying your workflow. Capture the world as you see it. This camera's intuitive operation extends to its physical design. The compact, lightweight body is easy to handle, and the body grip ensures you can shoot comfortably for extended periods. The easy-to-push C button and front-facing tally light are small details that make a big difference, especially for solo creators who need to know when they're rolling. Additionally, the multi-interface shoe supports external microphones and accessories, enhancing your audio and video capabilities. The 3-capsule directional mic with a windscreen included in the camera ensures clear audio even in challenging environments. And with the 3.5mm jack and MI shoe audio, you have multiple options for audio input. Sustainability. In a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, the Alpha ZV-E10 takes steps to reduce its environmental footprint. The camera is built with a focus on eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient performance, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable tech products. Price and value. Finally, let's discuss the price. At $999.99, the Alpha ZV-E10 offers excellent value for the features it packs. It's priced competitively within its category, providing a solid mix of performance, versatility, and user-friendly design. For content creators looking to invest in a high-quality, reliable camera, this model stands out as a top choice. What I love and what could be better. What I love most about the Alpha ZV-E10 is its versatility. Whether you're shooting photos, recording high-quality videos, or live streaming, this camera handles it all with ease. The intuitive controls and connectivity options streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on creating. On the downside, the camera's reliance on manual focus for certain scenarios might be a drawback for beginners. However, this is a minor issue compared to the overall package. The learning curve is steep, but once you get the hang of it, the results are worth the effort. In conclusion, the Alpha ZV-E10 is a powerhouse for content creators. Its evolved image quality, diverse visual expression capabilities, and intuitive operation make it a standout in its class. If you're serious about creating high-quality content, this camera should be at the top of your list. For more in-depth reviews and comparisons, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to AltBuzz. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Hope you enjoyed the video with subtitles.